Hello everyone. So as you know, 2023 is coming to end and 2024 is going to start. We at GSS are going to share our experiences and challenges we faced in 2023.
2024 is just hours away. Before that, I just want to share all our 2023 memories, or I want to recollect and share with you the projects we worked and the things we did in 2023. So, firstly, myself and Indraja and Ashok, we three directly involved into a client project for the first time. So, rather than managing the projects and managing the employees or dealing with the clients, all these years which I've done, but quite different year this time. It's quite satisfactory year, and I wish the same spirit, the same joy, and the same hard work we're gonna continue in the coming year 2024.
So 2023 we have started with project. It's a business admin role. So me, Chaitanya and Ashok did very well in that project, and we delivered the project successfully, and client was very happy with our work and hope we'll continue the same spirit with 2024 as well.
This year 2023 is quite a busy year for me. Busy because I've been working for like 4 to 5 projects, and it's quite difficult for first time from migrating from Xamarin to Mavi. Now I'm quite good in Mavi, and this year it was like quite a difficult year and some good and bad things. I just adjust to it, and for next year I really hope it will be a good time, and for you guys too.
I started my journey as a full stack developer at GSS in June of this year. It was a very good start for me, and after coming to GSS I was learning new technologies like C# and SQL and .NET. I'm waiting forward for the 2024. It would be a big year for me so that I can be placed in a client project.
If it comes to 2023, it was a very good phase to me. Initially, I was worked in the WooCommerce project with Fanisar, Rastria and Swaroop. After that, my health didn't supported me, so I took a break for a few days, and after that I bounced back and I came back to my project, and now I am working in the project and hope it will be good for me for the next upcoming year.
I started working in this company in the beginning of this year. During these many months, I got a few potential projects. In the beginning, I was a Xamarin developer while joining this company, and with the help of Funny sir and Prasad sir, I was able to migrate to Mavi, which was little bit tricky in the beginning, and then I got comfortable with Mavi, and now I am feeling capable of doing whatever projects we are doing in both Xamarin and Mavi app. So yeah, it's been a very good time for me in GSS.
2023 is a year which is very memorable for me because I got a job in GSS. I got trained in different skills like Power BI and Power Platform. I wish for more success in upcoming years with these skills.
So we are at the end of this year. So in this year we experience both good and bad things. So just we can carry forward good things, and whatever we learn from the bad things we can carry forward that.
And 2023 is such a great year to me because I went to a client project in this year and I have learned so many things from there. And it was such a great experience to work with the seniors, and I have learned so many things from them. And I'm looking forward to work those kinds of projects in the upcoming years.
Hi all. 2023 went like a good year for me. Most of the time it filled with work and a bit joy. And I expect the 2024 the same.
Coming to 2023, we have received a lot of tickets, and my team, Chaitanya and Indraja, with their support, I resolved many tickets.
Initially, I learned .NET. After I move on to Mavi, yeah, I'm very excited to learn Mavi because whatever I did in Mavi, I shown to my friends and my family members. Yeah, I worked on commerce and projects.
I would like to say 2023 is special for me because previously I had 2 years of experience, but the experience which I got here is really amazing. I hope 2024 will also be another wonderful year for me like 2023.
This year with our boss Funny, we started a new branch in Vizag and I'm very happy to run this branch as a branch head.
As we step into the future, let us celebrate the achievement of past and anticipate the another year of growth and success.
The last year, 2023, has been a great year for me personally as well as professionally. I was able to work with different clients and in different technologies. So I wish GSS a great year ahead, the coming 2024.
As we are saying goodbye to 2023 and welcoming 2024, I just want everyone to get a wonderful year ahead. For me, it's been a great year I have spent in GSS. I have learned so many technologies in GSS. So I hope everyone to get a joyful year in 2024 and GSS to achieve many more success in upcoming years.
2023 was a great journey with GSS. I have learned a lot around the year, and I have been through many projects.
Hi, had a wonderful 2023. Hope to grow together with GSS in 2024.
2023 was a great year because we are all busy with the schedule of work and the meetings. I hope 2024 will be a great year to work together and to reach our goal.
This year has given me a great start because I joined in GSS. In GSS, the management has encouraged to learn new skills and like UI part. I'm feeling very happy to work with GSS and look forward working for the upcoming years also.
Wishing you all a happy new year.
Wishing you a happy and prosperous new year.
I wish everyone a happy new year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
I wish you a very happy new year to all.
మీ అందరికీ నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Happy New Year to everyone.
I wish you a very happy new year.
I wish everyone happy and prosperous new year.
I am wishing you a very happy new year to everyone.
Wishing everyone a happy new year.
I wish to all a very happy new year.
I wish you a happy new year for you guys.
Happy new year and to all. Happy new year.
And very happy new year.
And I wish you everyone a very happy new year.
I wish everyone happy new year.
And I wish you guys a happy new year.
I wish everyone a prosperous new year.
I wish a very happy and prosperous new year.
Happy New Year to Team GSS and your family members. Let's work together and make 2024 more special.
Wish you all a happy and prosperous new year. Good luck, everyone.
A happy and prosperous new year to you and your family.
I wish everyone who are watching this video a very happy and prosperous new year.